YouTube, what's good, YouTube? Hey, it's me, Penny to Dollar FX, and I'm back at you with another video. I know it's been a while, but I had to take a break for the Christmas vacation, had to celebrate some time off. I don't know if you know, but making this content, coming up with the ideas, the information, everything that it entails, it can get a little exhausting sometimes, especially when you're trying to just live a life as a father and as a family man and everything else that comes along with just having an ordinary life. All right. But with that out of the way, I like to first say I like to thank the community and thank everybody for the growth and for the success of my channel. My channel is absolutely growing rapidly fast, and I couldn't have done it without you. So I'd like to dedicate this video to you all, the subscribers. All right. Again, if you find value in this video upon completion of this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I always say, I'm a firm believer that day trading is not for everybody, but you never know who may be able to take this information and apply it and be able to find value in it. So again, upon completion of this video, if you find value in this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. But without any further delay, without any further ado, let's get into it. All right, so in today's video, what I want to go over is I want to go over and address this this news that just posted. Well, not just posted, but it posted as of January 2024. So it's relatively new. Okay, it's about 20-some days new. All right, today's the 24th, so it's relatively new. The fact remains is this: FTMO is no longer funding or no longer offering challenges to residents of the USA. All right, and the reason why that's big, y'all, is because FTMO has been I'm talking about a huge factor in the success that I've experienced day trading. And so I know I've been pushing it very, very hard. I've been a huge proponent of promoting it, if you will, sort of low key, simply because they were, for me, they were one of the first that I used in identifying how to use the challenges and how to apply the criteria required in order to get funded. I don't know if you know, but if you don't know anything about what lot sizes are, if you don't know anything about spreads, if you don't know anything about leverage, all right, that's a lot of the details. That is a lot of the intricacies that I had to work out and work through in order to become profitable. And FTMO, the platform FTMO, was a huge part of that. All right, so anyway, I just wanted to share this with you all because unfortunately, as it reads right here, unfortunately at present, we are not able, as they state, they are not able to do that, basically fund or offer, well, let's just read it from the beginning. It says, since the establishment of our company, our goal has been to provide top quality services for our clients. Unfortunately, at the present, we are not able to do that in the United States due to specific conditions in the market segment. I don't know what that means, but that does mean that they're not going to be offering you any more challenge funded accounts. All right, so therefore we have decided to suspend the purchase of FTMO challenge or FTMO challenge for our new and existing US clients, nationals, just as we put a hold on onboarding new US clients. At the same time, we're looking for ways to make the FTMO available again to all those interested in trading in the USA. Our existing clients can continue to use their services as normal. Nothing changes for the clients, partners, and those interested in our services in other markets, as the problem only concerns specifics of our operations in the US markets. All right, so that's a brief reading, if you will, of their statement that they've posted on their own page, on their own platform. But the reason why I'm sharing this is to be honest with you all. If you can find a trader platform that one will fund you, but more importantly, offer you the opportunity to do challenges, to practice the challenges before funding, definitely take it. Because before you attempt to put your live capital in any brokerage account or invest in any brokerage firm, I would encourage you, if you haven't practiced day trading, you need to do so first. All right. Day trading can be very, very difficult. And there's a lot of nuances to day trading that you will not, I'm being honest with you, that you will not become accustomed to until you start trading with real money. But before you start trading with real money, you definitely want to make certain that you have a firm understanding about leverage, that you have a firm understanding about lot sizes and spreads. And that's something that that you can get used to when you're using a platform that offers you the ability to do challenges before you actually fund the account. All right, so there's a lot of them out there. I'm not gonna drop any on this on this video, simply because I am in the process of vetting one currently, and I don't know if I really like it or not. All right, but I'm in the process of vetting a brokerage firm that I'm currently using, and I'm still working because there's a lot of things that you have to keep in mind when it comes to the brokerage accounts. All right, you got to keep in withdrawals, right? How long does it take them to withdraw? You want to keep in mind all the other requirements and criteria, like what's the word I'm looking for, you guys? When you're in negative, drawdown requirements, things of that nature, right? Some of them don't allow you to trade with different assets, say for instance, crypto, and some of them don't allow you certain metals like gold and silver or other precious commodities. So what I'm saying is you have to find a brokerage firm that suits your needs. And currently I'm not at liberty to really put one out because I'm still vetting some myself. So when I find one that I'm completely okay with and that it suits my needs, I'll definitely go ahead and drop it in the chat, or I'll definitely go ahead and make a video about it and bring it all to you. But for now, I did want to share that with you. But moving right along, let's talk about some of these positions that we're currently in. And as always, you already know what it is. We are in profit. All right, we live in profit. And as you can see right here, it is no different than any other video that I've made before. So I'm not going to make this video long. I'm going to attempt to keep this video brief. But long story short, as you can see, same thing, y'all. This is Bitcoin that we're currently trading, right? Currently, we are up on Bitcoin 3.7%. And we are in it for a short position. And simply what we did, y'all, is as it came up, as you can see, it came up and then it got to our high probability zone. It started trading underneath the yellow moving average. As soon as it starts to give us candles, especially the candles that I prefer, which is these bearish engulfing candles. Once it started to give us one of these price action patterns up in the premium zone underneath the moving average, we got in that bad boy and we got in it for a short. And currently we are in it on 3.73%. All right, so if you come down here, we can see what that equates to in US dollars. That currently equates to $15,000 as it relates to the amount in this account. All right, as you can see, the lot size that I used was a 10. So nothing too crazy, just a great entry. All right, so moving right along, the next position that we're in right here is the US oil. And as you can see in US oil, we're not doing so hot. Right now, we are currently negative. We are in what they call drawdown, and I'm in drawdown almost a full percent, all right, 0.80%. So that's not looking so hot, but it is entering our premium zone. As you can see, I put my stop loss just above this premium zone. So if it continues to keep going up and it hits my stop loss, hopefully in this premium zone, I should start to expect or anticipate it to start trading underneath the yellow line, underneath the yellow moving average. Then and only then will I look for an opportunity to get back in it for a short. All right, so that's the US oil. This is the dollar index. Currently in the dollar index, as you can see, the dollar index, we're slightly in some drawdown, nothing major, but we're slightly in $1.90 drawdown. So that's how we're doing on the dollar index, the DXY. Currently on the Australian 200, as you can see in the Australian 200, same thing, y'all, right? We waited for price to get up here, right here in this area right here, where it's basically our resistance level. We waited for it to get up here in our resistance level. And then once it got up to our resistance level, we were waiting for it to break and start trading underneath the yellow moving average. And once it started to break and start trading underneath the yellow moving average, we got in right here. All right, because of the spread, it spotted us down a little further, but we got in right here or somewhere in here on this candle. And this would have been my entry candle right here. And so currently we're sitting up on that. We're in that for a profit of 0.42%. So we're doing pretty well on that. Again, you all, listen, we are in the premium zone. So as long as we're in the premium zone, we're always looking for the high probability trade or the high probability setup. And the high probability setup will be whenever we start getting candles trading underneath this yellow moving average. Then we can actually get in for another trade. And that's what we call scaling in or sizing up. All right, so that's the Australian 200. The German 30, as you guys can see, currently right now in the German 30, we're up 1.5%. Nothing, I'm just being honest with you all. Listen, nothing too extravagant, nothing too crazy. All we did was wait till it got down here. It came, it broke. This is what we call a break. And it came back and retested the zone. And then when it retested the zone, I looked for an opportunity for it to actually be supported with this prior resistance level. And then once it started to trade above the yellow moving average, I got in it for a long position. And I got in it on this candle right here, as you can see. All right, nothing extra, nothing too crazy. As you can see, I got in right here, and then we've been riding it ever since to where it's currently at. And so we're up 1.5% on that. So that's the German 30. Moving right along. The Spain 35, we're not looking so hot in that. We're down currently on the Spain 35. We're in some drawdown. JP 225, we're actually in profit right now, 0.09%, almost 0.10%. All right, so we're doing pretty well in the actual JP 225. Again, nothing too crazy here. We got in right here, y'all. We got in literally once this yellow candle started trading right there, we got in right there, y'all. All right, nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. All right, France 40, again, we're in profit 1.13%. All right, I gotta laugh because this is literally how we do it, you guys. This is literally, I mean, it's no smoke and mirrors. This is how I do it. I've been practicing this some time and I've become very, very proficient. I've become very profit at it. I will encourage anyone, if you're interested in taking this thing serious, please take a look at my book. I got a book for sale. It's out there, digital, whatever form you intend to, or whatever form you like to enjoy it, you prefer to enjoy it, it's available. All right, along with a Patreon where I teach people how to do this as well. But as you can see, these are all my positions in the market currently with the S&P 500, the NAS 100, the US 30, currently in the US 30, right? We're still trading just a little bit above it, so we're in some drawdown on the US 30. But what I'm looking for is, because what happened with the US 30 is it broke this area of resistance that was previous resistance. It broke this area of previous resistance. As you can see, it came up and then it bounced off this area, used this area for support, and then it started to actually trade above it. I got in it for a long at one point, and then it started to trade back down below it, and so I got back in it for a short. So currently that's where we are on the US 30. Let's take a look at gold, y'all. That's the UK 100. Right now we're not looking so high on the UK 100, but we still got time. The market in the UK 100 really isn't active just yet, so we still got time. This is gold. We're doing very, very well in gold, and then showing you all some of the stocks that we're currently in. So this is Indy, Nvidia. Oh man, we're crashing. We are crushing Nvidia. Nvidia, Netflix. I took profit on Netflix earlier, y'all. We were killing Netflix. I'm talking about totally demolishing Netflix. As you can see, once it ran up, I got in on the run up, and it gapped open on the morning open. And man, I really, really cleaned up. As you can see with the red arrow right here indicating, that's where I closed my position. So that's Netflix, Microsoft. As you can see, when I apply this strategy, it works the same on any type of asset or any type of instrument. It doesn't matter. All right, so this is it, y'all. I just wanted to bring this video to all of you. One, just to say I'm back. I needed the much needed vacation. I needed the much, as you can see, Walmart is crushing it, up 3.73%. But I needed the much needed vacation, and I'm sure you all had I hope you all had a great Christmas and a great New Year. With that, I like to tell everybody I thank you all for the support. It's been amazing. It's been an absolute amazing. And yeah, stay tuned. Hit that notification bell. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And there's gonna be more content coming, y'all. 2024, y'all, it's open. Let's get it, y'all. Until next time, God bless.